Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English TalkHub. How are you today? I hope you are doing well and feeling relaxed. Today, we are going to talk about my morning routine. Morning routines are very important. A good morning can help us have a good day. Many successful people have healthy morning habits. Morning routines can help us feel calm, focused, and motivated. So today, I will share my simple daily morning routine with you. This podcast is also great for English listening practice. So please listen carefully and repeat the sentences if you want to practice speaking. Now, let's begin. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I try to wake up early every day. I use an alarm clock to help me wake up. When the alarm rings, I slowly open my eyes. Then I sit up and stretch my body. Stretching helps my body feel awake and relaxed. After that, I drink a glass of water. Drinking water in the morning is a healthy habit. It helps wake up my body. Then I open the window and take a deep breath. The fresh morning air feels wonderful. I enjoy quiet mornings very much. The morning is peaceful and calm. After that, I go to the bathroom and wash my face. Cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. Then I brush my teeth carefully. Brushing teeth is very important for good health. Next, I take a shower. Warm water feels relaxing in the morning. After my shower, I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes in the morning. Sometimes I wear sports clothes if I plan to exercise. Now let's learn some useful English vocabulary together. The word routine means something we do regularly. Example sentence: My morning routine starts at 6 o'clock. Very good. Another useful word is stretch. Stretch means moving your body to relax your muscles. Example sentence: I stretch my body every morning. Excellent. Now, let's continue. After getting dressed, I prepare breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit. Sometimes I also drink coffee or tea. Coffee helps me feel more awake and focused. But I do not drink too much coffee. Healthy food gives us energy for the day. While eating breakfast, I sometimes listen to relaxing music. Other times, I listen to English podcasts. Listening practice is a great way to improve English. Even 15 minutes every day can help a lot. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes and put everything away. I like keeping my room and kitchen clean. A clean environment helps me feel calm and organized. Then I make my bed. Making the bed is a simple habit, but it makes the room look clean and nice. Small habits can create a better lifestyle. After that, I check my daily schedule. I usually write a to-do list every morning. A to-do list helps me remember important tasks. For example, study English, exercise, reply to emails, work on projects, read a book. A schedule helps me stay organized and productive. Now let's learn another useful word. The word productive. Productive means doing useful things. Example sentence: I feel productive in the morning. Excellent. Another useful phrase is to-do list. Example sentence: I write a to-do list every morning. Very nice. Now, let's continue. Some mornings, I exercise for 30 minutes. Exercise is very important for health. Sometimes I go for a walk. Sometimes I do simple stretching exercises. And sometimes I do light workouts at home. Exercise helps improve energy and mood. After exercise, I feel stronger and happier. Healthy habits are powerful. Even small healthy habits can improve our lives. After exercising, I usually spend time studying English. I practice vocabulary and pronunciation. Sometimes I read simple English articles. Other times, I watch English videos online. Listening and speaking practice are both important. Learning English every day is a good habit. Consistency is very important. Consistency means continuing regularly. Example sentence: Consistency helps people improve. Very good. Sometimes mornings are difficult. Some days I feel tired. Some days I want to sleep longer. But I try to continue my healthy routine. Good habits are not always easy, but healthy routines can make life better. One good morning can create a productive day. Now let's practice pronunciation together. Morning, morning. Excellent. Breakfast, breakfast. Very good. Healthy, healthy. Excellent work. Now let's continue our conversation. I think mornings are special. The world feels quiet in the morning. There are fewer distractions. My mind feels calm and fresh. This helps me focus better. Many people enjoy morning routines because mornings feel peaceful. Some people wake up very early. Others prefer sleeping later. Everyone is different. But healthy sleep is important for everyone. I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock at night. Sleeping early helps me wake up early. Good sleep is very important for physical and mental health. Without enough sleep, people feel tired and stressed. Now let's learn another useful word, the word peaceful. Peaceful means calm and quiet. Example sentence, the morning feels peaceful. Excellent. Another useful word is energy. Energy means strength and power. Example sentence, breakfast gives me energy. Very good. Sometimes I read motivational quotes in the morning. Positive words can improve my mood. I like starting my day with positive thoughts. A positive mindset is important. Mindset means the way we think. Example sentence, a positive mindset helps people stay motivated. Excellent. After my morning routine, I feel ready for the day. I feel more focused, more organized, and more motivated. Morning routines do not need to be perfect. Simple habits are enough. Drink water, eat breakfast, stretch your body. Practice English, write a schedule. Take care of yourself. Small actions matter. Now I want to ask you something. What is your morning routine? Do you wake up early? Do you drink coffee or tea? Do you exercise in the morning? Think about your habits. Good habits can improve your life slowly, step by step, little by little. Now let's continue learning English together. The word habit. Habit means something we do regularly. Example sentence, reading every day is a good habit. Excellent. Another useful phrase is wake up early. Example sentence, I wake up early every morning. Very good. Morning routines can also help reduce stress. When we prepare early, we feel calmer. Rushing in the morning can feel stressful, but a calm morning creates a calm feeling. That is why planning is important. Planning helps people feel organized. Example sentence, planning my day helps me stay calm. Excellent work! Sometimes I also spend a few minutes reading books in the morning. Reading is a wonderful habit. Books help us learn new ideas and vocabulary. Even 10 pages a day can make a big difference. Learning slowly is okay. Progress takes time. Please remember that. Now let's practice another useful word, the word organized. Organized means clean and planned well. Example sentence, my desk is organized. Very nice. Another useful word is focus. Focus means paying attention carefully. Example sentence, I focus better in the morning. Excellent! Some people use phones immediately after waking up, but I try not to use my phone too much in the morning. Too much screen time can be distracting. Instead, I like quiet mornings. Simple mornings help me feel relaxed. Healthy routines are different for everyone. You do not need a perfect routine. You only need healthy habits that work for you. Start small. Simple changes are powerful. Maybe tomorrow you can wake up 10 minutes earlier. Maybe you can drink more water. Maybe you can practice English for 15 minutes. Small actions create big results over time. Never underestimate small progress. Every healthy choice matters. Every practice session matters. Every good habit matters. Now let's review some vocabulary from today. Routine. Stretch. Productive. Healthy. Peaceful. Energy. Habit. Organized. Focus. Excellent job, everyone. You are improving your English step by step. Before we finish today's podcast, I want to share one important message. Take care of your mornings. Good mornings can improve your entire day. Healthy routines help create healthy lives. And remember, you do not need to change everything at once. Start small, stay consistent, and continue improving little by little. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this podcast helped you practice English and feel motivated. Keep learning English every day. Keep building healthy habits, and keep smiling. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.